Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is our day 38 schedule. First of all, I want to say sorry for uploading late today due to heavy rain in my village. Now let's continue our preparation with today's to-do list. First, we start with quants. Yesterday, we practiced average prelims level questions. Today, we will practice advanced level questions from the average topic. Next, take one sectional MOOC test for the quants. Also, continue solving 5 to 10 sets of DA questions today. Next, reasoning. Continue the blood relations topic and practice advanced level questions in it. Then take a one prelims level sectional MOOC. Also continue practicing Basel's seating arrangement, solve 5 to 10 sets from these topic. Next, English, watch the editorial class and analyze it, understand it very clearly, learn new vocabulary words and note them down. Continue your weekly topic practice and take a quizzes from the topic. Try to solve at least 10 or more questions in it. Then watch video classes how to approach mock test in English. After that, practice 10 mini questions from any topic. Computer awareness. Today topic is computer hardware. Watch video classes or read notes and understand the concepts clearly. Revise the topic properly. Finally, current affairs. Take today's notes and revise them properly and attempt the quizzes. That's all about today's schedule, guys. Stay consistent and keep practicing it. Bye, guys.